Let's go to paper 1B. Paper 1B has a different nature. It is short answer somehow, but analytical. The ones that you need some data analysis. Okay. Again, two minutes per mark, because there is no option, 2 minutes per mark, and in average, hopefully. Same distribution of questions, AO1, AO2, 50%, AO3, the challenging ones, how much? 50%. So, half of the questions always in IB are challenging. Good news for the first time. Question styles are almost similar to our exams. Examiner says, okay? So, use the past papers as the best resource. If you answer just 20, 25, you will have a chance of answering more than 80% of this type of data analysis. They are repeating themselves. Yes, question is different question, nature same. Typically questions are very similar, despite of multiple choice ones. Okay, so you have a good chance of a very high mark in them. Best is that. Okay, are you familiar with EFC? It's different from KFC, guys. Error carried forward. Error carried forward is the error that you have done a mistake in the previous question, but in the next question you may use the result of the previous one. Okay, IB always accepts it, and they don't penalize you. Look, a full mark question will have 2 marks for calculation and 2 marks for significant figure plus unit. Even inside the question you have EFC. What is that? Look at me, look at me. Don't write anything. There is a question 4 mark. It's a full mark question, okay? Let's see what do we mean by EFC. One EFC is this one. The question has 3 or 4 parts. In part A, they ask for density. In part B, you should use density for something. Okay? You have found the density wrong. Density is supposed to be 2.4. You found it 10. Okay? It is not correct. But you use the same 10 for the second one. If your approach in the second question is correct, you will get full mark. Okay?
Yes.
Don't worry. This is IB rule. Got it? Don't bother yourself. Oh, I'm really skeptical. It may not be correct. Okay, it may not be correct. No problem. You have EFC. Okay? Inside the question, I have a very good news for you. These are for maybe consecutive steps of a question. Even one single part may have EFC. What do I mean? Full mark question is IB now for the newest version means a 4 mark question, okay? 4 mark. Okay, look at this. Look at this. The tube is slowly rotated until that, blah, 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 a lot of things. Look at that and determine the atmospheric pressure. Give a suitable unit for
answer.
Got it? Mm-hmm. You are looking for this. What is that? Atmospheric pressure. Okay? Give a suitable unit for your answer. So, you should find the pressure. How many marks does it have?
4.
4. 4 means that 1 mark for significant figures, 1 mark for units. So, pressure must be something. How much is the atmospheric pressure?
1.0.
No. Almost.
1.
1 what? Atmosphere.
Yes.
Well, no. 100 kilopascal. 1 atmosphere or 100? Okay, 1 atmosphere. There are some quantities there. Look at this quantity. 0.0. How many significant figures do you have?
3. So
2. How many significant figures do you have?
3.
3. Okay? You have multiplication, division, and so forth. You should go over the minimum number of
significant.
Figures.
Perfect. What is the answer? Something with
2 significant.
2 significant figures. Pressure could be like that. Okay? 1, you said 1 atmosphere. It could be 100 atmosphere. Got it? What is this? Unit. What is this? Answer incorrect, significant.
Figures.
Write it, you will get 2 marks. No solution. They accept it. You didn't know that. Mostly, if you can't answer this question, you leave it.
Hocam,
Yes.
can we also convert it Pascal or
Yes, whatever, but 2 significant figures. Determine P to the correct number of significant figures, including its unit. Okay? Another question. Same thing. How can you answer this? Correct significant figures. 3, put 3 significant figures, whatever. I don't know anything about physics. I think that the atmospheric pressure is 5 atmosphere. Write 5.0 atmosphere. You will get 2 marks. 5 atmosphere. It will cramp you. This is a very high atmospheric pressure, but it's correct. Again, EFC. Error carried forward. A 3-mark question will have 2 marks for calculation and
1 mark.
1 mark for
Significant.
significant figure. Look at this. Look at this. Please. What is the goal of question? This is 3 mark. Each rod is to have a resistance no greater than this. Okay, not important. Calculate in meter the minimum radius of
Row.
each rod. So the answer is radius. Guys, what is the unit of radius? Meter, centimeter, millimeter. Okay? They didn't say anything. But it could be every other arbitrary unit. Give your answer to appropriate.
Number of significant
So, what are they looking for? Appropriate number of significant figures and maybe an approach for answer. Okay? Guess a radius for a small rod. Is it okay to be 3 millimeters? Okay. Look at the values. You will work with multiplication, division, and so forth. So the answer must have the number of significant figures equal to the minimum number of significant figures. How much is the minimum? 2, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2. How much? 2. The answer must be like 3.2, okay? Millimeter. Forget about approach, guys. Write 3.2, get 1 mark. Got it?
Yes.
Good. Best fit line. Best fit line for this case is easy. You may say, okay, this is a line. Sometimes you may say, no, this is not a line. It seems to be a curve. Okay. Guys, never it could be point to point. Do not do like this. This is not a puzzle. Smooth curve, okay, or line. Always, no. If it has 1 mark, it is 1 single smooth curve or 1 single line. 1 mark. If the question has 2 marks, best fit line has 2 parts. One might be something like this, one might be like that. Guys, do not try to connect these 2 parts. They are different things. This is the best fit line. Look, a smooth curve and a line. And because of each part, you will get 1 mark. Got it? Sometimes the graph is like this, especially for the people who always try to make a smooth graph. No, if it is 2 mark, it is not a single graph. Look, this is the graph. I have seen one of them in IB. Look, at the beginning it seems to be curve, but then it goes to linear. This is a 2 mark answer. Okay? Don't worry, it's accepted. 1 mark measurement questions, 1 mark. Just value, no significant figure, no unit, no uncertainty. Understand? 1 mark question. They ask you for the degree. This is 2025 degree. How many degrees it could be? Just you should count them from here to here. Okay? The answer looks like this: 49 degrees. Don't bother yourself with significant figures, unit, uncertainty. One more question. It may never need any unit. Okay? Teacher, I may forget about the degree here. Can I get a full mark? Yes. No unit. Whatever you write. Agree? Just count the numbers. Okay, proportionality. What do we mean by proportionality? Y is proportional to X. What does it mean? Who can answer this? Y is proportional to X.
Can we say?
For each value of increase in x, there is a proportional increase.
What about the graphical approach?
Can we say that they are linear to each other?
No.
Why
Is
not
it
by
proportional?
equals? No, it's
No.
not.
It's not. Why?
As the graph starts from a non-zero point
So-
of y
Proportional means linear passing through the
origin.
Linear passing through the origin. Got it? Outline why y is not proportional to x. Okay? Look at me. 1 mark, mention one of them. 2 marks, mention both. Okay? Yes or no?
Yes.
Sometimes it's clear. It is linear, but not passing through the origin. You have just one chance, right? It is not passing through the
Origin.
origin. You will get your mark. Have a rest. We'll go back.